Hey guys, this is Santos with Flashy Jewelry, and just want to do a quick unboxing with you guys. Um, right here is I have a package with a silver necklace, a rope necklace, and a little pendant for my son. And just got it in, and I wanted to open it up with you guys so you guys can see it firsthand, just like I'm seeing it. So you can see, sealed package, crossed out my address and stuff, so nobody gets to see it. I don't want anybody showing up. But yeah, so here's the package. Came a little envelope thing. It's not a box, so alright, so we're just gonna get right to it, guys. It's gonna be a quick video. So, like I said, we're just gonna unbox. And like I said, it's a silver rope chain and the pendant. And it's not for me, it's for my son, so it's gonna be on the smaller thing a little bit. There's the box. And I'm assuming this is the necklace and this is the pendant. So we're gonna go ahead and open. And so guys, yep, got it. Let's see what we got here. Little 2.5 silver necklace. Very nice. Pull it out of there. Show you guys real quick. Has a little polishing cloth also. He's gonna be psyched up with this thing. And just want to pull it out so you guys can see it from here. And there you go. That's what it looks like. 925 silver. Nice little piece. Like I said, he's gonna be psyched up with that thing. It's actually better than what I thought. I thought it was gonna be thinner. It's actually pretty heavy duty. And this is a little pendant he got. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, just so you guys can see it for yourself. But I know what it is already because he told me what he wanted. And here we go. And yeah, this is a little tiny, but that's what it is, a little eagle pendant. And yeah, it's not much there. Small little eagle pendant. But it's what he wanted. I'll take it out so you guys can see it because it is tiny, I will say that. Sorry guys, bear with me here. Like I said, and there we go. It's actually nice and glossy though, but it's very small, like I said. That's what it's gonna look like on there. Doesn't look bad at all. I think you'll like it. But yeah guys, so that was basically it. Quick unboxing. And I'll be doing more of this. I got like I said, a moissanite bracelet coming up soon that I want to unbox with you guys. Some plated bracelets also, some plated Cuban bracelets, and some rings also. So guys, I'll be tapping back in with you guys soon. This is Santos with Flashy Jewelry, and I'll holla guys.